Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Don't worry about me.
Your hair looks beautiful.
I want to draw with pencil and paper.
Okay.
But I have construction paper, but it's like I don't remember what I did for.
Okay, so now what
I'm
did you
not
want?
good with painting.
I want this one because did you get another paintbrush?
Yes.
Because you would do also because you're really pretty.
Which paintbrush do you want?
And I want. Oh, we have to go.
Yeah. Okay, look.
There's a cup for water and a cup for water here.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll just not use it. Well, here, we'll each have our own. You're so smart to get that. Okay, there's your napkin.
Yeah, I know because I paint a lot.
Okay. With your mommy?
No, but it's
Mom, I know how to make a peak bigger than this. Put it in the microwave.
Huh, negative.
Guess what? This guy made a
Yeah.
YouTube video. And he put it in the microwave. And then he made it look like it came so big, it destroyed his whole house and he tried to eat him in fire.
Guess what? Guess what?
What?
Do you know what happens when you put a pumpkin in the microwave?
What?
It's closed.
Oh, that's cool. That'd be cool if you had a window, but we
And then
can't.
I'd have to clean it up.
We can't see through ours.
It turned into pumpkin.
Can you not?
Well, we can kind of see if it's the
Guess what?
light. is
My
on.
dad can't even open that. I had to open that.
Yeah, these are hard.
Yeah.
Cash.
Open what?
If you just put this like that,
Hmm?
that's what I did.
Cash.
Uh-huh.
Will you bring me my ice cup right there?
Yeah, what?
You paint her.
My ice
I'll
cup.
paint her. You paint that too. I'll paint the bugs. Okay?
Well, I'm gonna paint mine and you paint yours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Cash, you know. Do you want to switch me?